All right, here's a B major scale. B major scale sounds a little scary because we have so many sharps in this key. Okay, let's do the exact same method. The formula we learned, starting with B as your tonic, C sharp, whole step, D sharp, another whole step. Now half step will be your E. Now we're gonna continue, okay, with the whole step, and half step at the end. Okay, that's your perfect eighth. B, go down, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E. Now what do we do? Cross 3/1 and finish. So B major so far has the most sharps. Okay, the sharps are in order. Okay, you could check with your the key signature in order of F, C, G, D, A sharp. That's the order. So eventually you have to really memorize the order of sharps for all the major tonalities, especially for the sharp keys. Later we'll definitely learn the flat keys as well. But when you apply the formula of the major scale pattern, you will automatically get those 5 sharps here. So basically, B major include all the black keys, all 5, yeah? Those are all included in this scale. The only notes that you have to play, the white key notes are B, your tonic note, the first note, and the E, and your tonic again. That's it, okay? The rest are all sharp. So let me play my right hand one more time. B, C sharp, D sharp, thumb under, E, white key there, F sharp, G sharp, all 3 black keys are used, and tonic. I want you to remember this. These 2 black key group, you use finger 2, 3. 3 black key group, you use finger 2, 3, 4. Easy to remember, right? So that's your right hand fingering. Left hand, it's gonna be very interesting fingering here actually. We are not gonna start with finger 5 for the first time. It's gonna be 4, okay? Because we've been using always starting with a 5 for all the previous scales we learned, started with finger 5, pinky for the left hand. This is exceptional one. The B major scale, left hand will start with finger number 4. I want you to remember that clearly, okay? 4 on your tonic note. Remember what's next key? C sharp. So 3. D sharp, 2. And thumb on E. That's your first set of tetrachord, right? Now, what do? We need to have a whole step as a link. So what we're gonna do is cross finger number 4 over thumb, not 3. Okay, so again, this is a very unique fingering given to the left hand, all right? Don't forget, we're starting with a 4 from the beginning, the tonic note. And after thumb is used on E, we are having 4th finger crossing over 1 to play the rest. Because we have to play all 3 black keys here, right? F sharp, and again, make sure you have a good alignment. G sharp, A sharp, and we finish with your tonic. Perfect 8th, okay? So just remember these fingerings for left hand. Different from right hand, okay? 4, 3, 2, 1. And you have another 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's your pattern. When you play together in a row for your ascending scale, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. Now cross. Yeah, and go down. Here is where you have to cross under and finish. That's your B major scale for left hand. This scale might be a little challenging because first of all, we got 5 sharps to play. And then your left hand has a different finger numbers than the other standard fingerings that we use for other major scales. So especially learn the left hand fingerings first. I suggest that you practice left hand a little more, okay, separate hands. And then also, of course, obviously on your right hand, and when you put it together, use long tones, like whole notes maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. You know, be very long and slow. And don't forget crossing. Don't forget cross under, cross over. challenging scale pattern, but once you practice at a slow tempo and learn the formula and learn the finger numbers, then it'll come along to you and you'll be able to play it with a good tempo and hopefully good spirit, okay? All right, so hope you enjoy practicing B major scale as well. Thank you so much for watching my video.